champion no matter what. Cause when you got the belt in the ring, people with you popping bottles, taking pictures, look around. But soon as you fall down, all the haters pass the judgment. Flies out here, shout it, I'm a yes. Hey, what it is, world? Yeah, it's me again. Back before you, at your mercy, on bending knee again. No running from the truth, as much as we pretend that it ain't what it is, then it hit CNN. Apologies to my fans and my closest friends for letting you down. I won't take you down this road again. Most of you now saying whatever, here we go again. Vlogs, radio, and television, all going in. I laugh to keep from crying through all of the embarrassment. I gotta say, you fucking haters is hilarious. How dare you sit right there and act as if you holier than thou? Point your finger now with me looking down. Same clown that would twit picking at my wedding on the same Twitter page, disrespecting. Wait a second, never mind my imperfections, this a fact. Remember that no mistakes too great to recover and bounce back. Hey, when they push you down, you got to get back. And when they push you down, you got to get back.